What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got DW back in the building again with another awesome creation. And the name of this one is called DW53. So if you're going out, you're exercising, or you're just dressing super casual for the day and you're hanging out with family and friends, this is the watch face to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now, in the always on mode, I like this look. It looks super slick, really, really nice. But when the watch face is on, you're greeted with a whole host of information. First, at the top, you will get a digital time, nice and bold with animated seconds. You're going to get a moon phase right next to that. And if you look exactly at the top, you will get your battery percentage as well. You get your date information, you get the day. Also, you get shortcuts that you can tap into at will with a single tap. Not bad at all. Everyone loves shortcuts. But over here to the side, to your right hand side, you'll get your step status info as well. You get heart rate information, which is interactive. So if you want to tap into it and go in and check out your status, you can. Same thing for your steps. Go in, check it out. So I like what the developer brought to the table. He did really, really good with this one. You can set an alarm. I thought the guy did a great job. Get your calendar information. Listen, you got to check this out in the Gear Manager store. This is definitely worth a download, and this guy always makes it affordable in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoying your weekend, enjoying family and friends, eating well, and of course, you know what I'm about to say, just make sure you be safe, okay? And if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.